Today we're going to be installing the catch can, the Damon catch can, to stage 1 on the Speed. I don't know why I haven't gotten a catch can yet. It's kind of stupid because it's like bigger turbo, external wastegate, all jazz. But it's the catch can stage 1. I think it gets what it looks like. And then we got 2 lines. This line and this one. And then you just got hardware. But it goes on the bottom left subframe member. And you might be wondering why I have my bumper off. And you can probably see that my intercooler is a little bent in right here because I reversed in a driveway and it just smushed everything forward. It didn't break that bumper support, but it broke that bumper support. This stuff just bent. This one was really bad. Completely freaking jammed out of that thing in there. See worst. I got new ones of them. That's why it's off. It might be easier with it off because you can reach in from that corner. It goes right here on this subframe member. Yeah, pull the Speed in the garage and we'll get into it. If you boys want your hats or any banners or support stickers, we got slap stickers. Pretty cheap, like $3 for a slap sticker. A banner like that one. One's for like 15 and 20. Shipping. But if you want your hats, DM us on Instagram at 7 Garage. We don't have our store open yet. It's in the works. But yeah. Like and comment for more install videos. I've installed a lot of things. We're doing a build bio soon on it. Comment if you want to see the build biology. If you haven't seen it ripping, go to the previous video and we have POV video up. I'll link that like right here.
And subscribe.
Boys doing dope shit. I want to get a video of all the boys cruising together. The S2000, the IS300, Corey's 1J swap, which just got its wide body finished and painted. We need to take pictures of that.
Alexis over there.
Brandon Subi, get Levi cruising behind the Be on the lookout for the Breezewood video. We just went to Breezewood this weekend. Killer time. Mike, Levi, me, and Jake. Absolutely sick. Catch can's gonna sit right here, boys. Right in there, on the side of the subframe. Then we gotta remove the intake manifold. Not really even remove it, just pull it out some, because you gotta get to the, there's a fitting on the back of it with the rubber line. And we gotta poke into that rubber line. Which means we also gotta take off this intercooler piping. And then that'll be it. And wastegate. If you wanna know the specs, comment for the build bio. For a breakdown. So, me having the front mount intercooler, we gotta take off the intercooler piping up to there, and mine runs up from right there, runs up here and goes to the turbo. You gotta take off your dipstick tube bolt down here, right under down there, and then you gotta take off your map sensor right there, and you gotta take off the throttle position sensor, which has a little safety clip on it. The red clip, pull that off. Right here, an intake manifold breather. Take that off. You gotta get a screwdriver below the black piece and up above the red piece. Push the red piece down and then pry up and pull up on the whole black part, and then it'll come off. That's one of the hard lines. That one and the tube underneath. The bottom tube on the intake manifold, you can either take it off or you can do it when it's still connected, but you gotta access it from the bottom. It's so easy. More easy than trying to get it from the top like I've done in the past. But you just get up through this hole right above your oil pan, next to your filter, and get up there and take that clamp off. And then you just your dipstick tube. And you're good to get the bolts out. And there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I think there's a 6th bolt on the inside, kind of on the other angle than the other bolts. Alright. Got that little tube disconnected. What I'm talking about is right here, under your map sensor. Wow, look at that.
That's sketch E, capital E on the end there.
Nah. This is where we put it. Here's the intercooler piping, there's that left subframe member I was talking about, and there's the catch can. We got that line going to the PCV, and then the upper for the intake manifold. Yep, he's mounted to the frame right there. The two little holes next to the horn. This line with the check valve goes to your intake manifold, right there on the connection. And then your PCV line goes from your PCV underneath your fuel rail down to the catch can, ready to get back in, and then that line, like I said, just goes back to your intake manifold. All it is them 6 bolts and all the lines, connectors. Oh, I gotta plug back in my TPS, the throttle position sensor, and that safety clip. Yeah, that's the install. All it does is really just catch extra blow by that your PCV would rather feed to your intake and you would burn. Helps your valves, helps your carbon build up on your valves. You gotta empty it every once in a while, unless if you just keep it open. I think I'm gonna get a breather tube to fit in there. You can see it right in there. Yeah, that's it for the install. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like. Make sure to subscribe for more. If you want to see more speed content, check out the POV, like I said. Yeah, it's out, boys.
Nice. No damage?